So have you ever opened that first cold winter heating bill? Could be kind of scary. Well, here are 5 tips and tricks that will help you reduce that heating bill. Now, one of the easiest would be to change the humidity in your home. By simply changing the humidity in your home, you can significantly lower the temperature, you can feel exactly the same, and you can save a lot of money. And in the Midwest, that means a whole home humidifier. Now, another way to do it is to seal your windows. You know, the plastic that you put on your windows or the foam that you put around the seals. Now, that allows you to keep the heat you paid for in your home while keeping Mother Nature out. Another way to do it is to use an electric blanket or a space heater at night in the room you're in. If you think about it, you can lower the thermostat 3, 4, 5, maybe even 6 degrees and only warm up the room that you're sleeping in. Another one is the filter in their furnace. The filter in your furnace is what allows warm air to go into your home. If that filter is plugged up and your furnace has to work a lot harder to make it happen, so change your filter, keep it clean regularly. A really good one is think about that furnace. Now that thing's done its job, it's kept you warm for 20 years. However, it is very old technology. The newer furnaces in the last 10 years, in the last 5 years, are significantly more efficient, pays dividends over time in using significantly less energy to keep your home warm. So there you go, 5 great ideas on how to save on that scary heating bill.